Hi beautiful, I'm Emmi. Welcome back to Every Day with Emmi. Today I want to discuss, is it possible to feel and have beauty after 50? Let's talk about the aging benefits. What do we gain? What do we benefit by aging? First of all, we should begin to feel liberated after 50. After I turned 50, I finally began to feel free to do and say what I wanted, that I had lived enough life's experiences that my opinions could actually matter and actually influence others. And really, it was a beautiful thing for me just to feel that liberated and to know that I had reached an age where people respected my opinion, treated me as an adult finally. There's also a wonderful trust in your decisions once you hit 50 and once you're over 50. People can't talk you into things that you're not comfortable with, like maybe they could in our 20s and 30s and even our 40s. I also noticed after I turned 50, I quit sweating the small stuff and I focused more on what really mattered to me. I lost my father just a few months ago, and let me tell you, when you lose a loved one, I'm sure many of you have experienced this, it really causes you to search your soul about what is truly important to us in life. And it made me realize that sweating the small stuff, don't have time for it. Life just passes us by so quickly that things that used to matter to me just do not matter to me anymore. And the other thing is, do we really need to feel old, act old, look old just because we're over 50? Over 50 women are running our economy. Did you know that? 80% of 50 and older women make all of the consumer goods and services purchases in this country. So we make up 80% of the economy. So basically, we hold that much power, women over 50. We are virtually running our economy. Women over 50 are running companies, they're entrepreneurs, they own their own businesses. We can wear anything we want because we live in an age where we're never accused of dressing too young or too old. So we can just feel free to be ourselves and wear whatever makes us feel beautiful. Let's talk about menopause. I like to call it men on pause. After menopause, women are more free and can enjoy everything more, including sex. Women after 50 just have such a freedom about everything. After 50, our personal truth improves. We generate the results that we feel we deserve in our lives. So if our personal truth improves, then our lives automatically improve. Can we have beauty after 50? I'm here to tell you, yes, we can. Age gives us confidence and wisdom and joy and life's experiences. These are things of beauty. Now, maybe we have a little sag here and a slight wrinkle on the horizon. So what? Negativity associated with aging is man-made, and it's put on women by society. And it's especially put on us by the fashion and beauty industry. But guess what? It's not reality. It's not my reality, and I don't want it to be your reality either. The fashion and beauty industry continue to put this message out so they can continue to keep selling us products that we don't really need. Aging is a beautiful thing. Aging is a beautiful thing. Get that into your psyche. And it's also a beautiful thing when you look at a woman's face who is over 50, because it's a gateway to her beautiful soul. It reflects her confidence. It reflects her wisdom. It reflects her joy. Once we're over 50, we've earned the right to feel beautiful, feel attractive, and be valued. I want to share a writing with you that I recently read. This is called Don't Be Beautiful by Nikita Gill. Catchy title. I'm going to read it to you. They keep saying that beautiful is something a girl needs to be, but honestly, forget that. Don't be beautiful. Be intelligent, be witty, be klutzy, be interesting, be funny, be adventurous, be crazy, be talented. There are an eternity of other things to be other than beautiful, and what is beautiful anyway? But a set of letters strung together to make a word. Be your own definition of amazing, always. That is so much more important than anything beautiful ever. I just want to say that although I believe she's a very talented artist and writer, my take on this piece is that if I'm intelligent, witty, klutzy, interesting, funny, adventurous, crazy, talented, and I'm my own definition of amazing always, isn't that a beautiful thing? I feel like the title should be Do Be Beautiful. So I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was an interesting take on beautiful, because in my opinion, all of those things are beautiful. Listen, we are beautiful. You are beautiful. Aging is beautiful. Please, if you take nothing away from this video, take that away. Get that into your mind, get that into your soul, get that into your heart. Aging is beautiful, and I welcome you to join my pro-age revolution, because I am declaring war on the stigma that society has placed on us as women about aging. Thanks for tuning in. This is Emmi, and I'll see you next time.